The fastest way to succeed in crypto trading is to copy a successful trader and the same result which he is getting. That is exactly what you stand to get.
In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a crypto strategy which will change your trading life to become a very profitable trader. Okay, and before we dive into this particular video, I want to let you know that crypto has a gatekeepers. Okay, crypto has gatekeeper, and if for you to succeed in crypto, you need to identify those gatekeepers. Okay, those gatekeepers are the ones who enable you to make profit, meaning that you must align with a strategy that is working, someone who is being profitable in the market. You must align yourself with the person for you to be able to be profitable. No one will just jump into crypto trading and become successful overnight. Okay, you need to develop a strategy that is actually working. It's neither you get it from somebody who the strategy have been working for, who is a gatekeeper, and when you learn it, you will do what? You will become successful in crypto trading. Okay, so I made it possible. I have a class where I teach you strategies that work in the market. Okay, how you can actually use your hand to generate signal, to generate profitable coin arbitrage strategy and signals that work. Okay, we have a software that when you use that particular software, you can be able to do what? To get a profitable coin on daily basis and make profit from them. So in this video right away, I'm going to be sharing with you guys most of the strategy that work that most people are not telling you, most YouTuber. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. I teach you here is what I do. So remember that crypto has a risk. Before you dive into it or before you become profitable, you need to join someone who have been profitable in the market in a long run. Okay, so now if you take a look at this particular place, you will find that this exchange I'm using is Maxi. Okay, so if you want to use this particular setup, okay, you can send me message so I can give you how you can be able to set this particular strategy. Or if you want to use this particular strategy, you can go to your indicator and use the Bollinger Band as a default. Once you get to that place, on it will be on a default and you don't set any other thing. Okay, so now if you take a look at this particular place, you will find out that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, you'll find out that there is a yellow line here in this particular Bollinger Band. Okay, now, and you can see from this dashboard, this is Solana. I doesn't have a break even or overbought, oversold lines here. Okay, in the Bollinger Band. Okay, so now with this particular yellow line, I want you to focus more of your attention from this particular Bollinger Band. And if you are trading future or spot, pay more attention to this video. Now, whenever this particular line, this yellow line, crosses any of this line, this particular 1, 2, 3 lines, okay, you can see that the yellow line now is above all the 4 lines here. Okay, is an indicator. So now we have 4 lines, and what are those 4 lines? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, which is the last one. Okay, now this yellow line normally work in the middle of all the lines. Okay, normally work in the middle, always staying at the middle of the line. But whenever there is you see a coin that is trending, a coin that is high already, I mean a coin that have pumped like 50%, 30%, 100, 200, 300%, which I'm going to share those coins to you now. Whenever you find out that this particular line is above those coin, okay, what do you need to do? You need to sell and move out. Don't enter the market. Okay, don't just enter the market, because from this particular place you can see that Solana is trading at 209, but this particular red yellow line have already crossed all the whole line. What is he trying to tell us? He's trying to tell us that there is gonna be a bear, there is gonna be a downtrend, that coin is going to go down. It is a must, 99% guarantee of what I'm telling you. So if you are trading future, you can join my class so I can teach you how to take short and long. Okay, you can now use this particular strategy to make a lot of money for yourself. Now, whenever this particular line, which you are seeing here, cross the 1 2 3 line, what is like, as you can see now in Solana, it has crossed this 4 line, and what is going to happen? There is gonna be a dip. Remember, this particular yellow line already crossed when this coin is at $210. So now it's heading back. So what you are going to see is a down trade. Already you can see it's already going down. Over here you can see that it already went to 207, but I'm telling you that it will come down to this blue, this particular place. So it's going to go below 200. Okay, it's going to go below 200. Okay, so now you can now go into the coins that has a low market cap, a coin that is still below $1, and use this thing to make money. So now let's go and find a particular coin on a high trending market over here. So let's take a look at this number one, which is at 367 market percentage for the day. It have done 367. So this is, and the coin is trading at 0.11 cents. So let's see this particular coin and let me show you what I'm actually talking about. Now you can see that when this particular coin came up, already now is a new coin. Okay, is a new listed coin, but this particular coin have already gone to it have shown 2 line. But first of all, the one that appeared first was the yellow line. Let me show you over here. I believe you can see what I'm sharing with you here. So now you can see that first of all the yellow line came up. So if you see a coin that when the coin get listed and it's a future coin, and the coin have first of all show 2 line and the yellow one is at the top, what you just need to do is to short the market. I mean, go to your future trading and use 2 leverage, or from 10 to 2 leverage to do what? To short that particular coin. You are going to make a huge amount of money. I know what I'm telling you. I'm an experienced trader, and this particular strategy work 99% all the time. So you can also join my signal group. I have a signal group where I share all these signals on daily basis. It costs you only 20 USDT to join my VIP group, and it also both the training class where I train you. If you are a newbie, you don't know how to trade, I can teach you how to trade and make money. Okay, under that 20 USDT for you to join us. So now watch from this particular place. If I even go to 15-minute time frame, you can see clearly what I'm actually talking about. Okay, so now immediately you can see when this particular thing happened here. Let me show. This is where that yellow line came up. Okay, it goes gradual. Once the 1 hour 15 minutes is coming, it will be coming small. So immediately I saw this particular yellow line, and it is above all the line. What do I need to do? I short the market immediately. Okay, and if you are in a coin and you see this kind of line, what you need to do is to close your trade immediately. Okay, the reason why I'm telling you that crypto has a gatekeepers. Okay, that most of the time when you buy a coin with $10,000 or $100, you will find out that after you finish buying that particular coin, one problem or the other just came up, and it will be exact that amount of money that you need to solve that particular problem. What happens is that you go and take out that your money. Immediately you take out that your money, what happens is that in the next 24 hours or 3 days or 7 days, you find out that that coin have gone up. That means if you have kept that your money in that coin, you would have got
100% of your capital. It means if you are doing it with 10,000, you would have made 20,000, but you will not do that. It will not happen to you because this particular market has a gatekeeper. Okay, there are people that have paid the price to understand what the market is doing and how to go against it. So you need to pay the price of coming under them to learn, coming under them to use the strategy that they are using that is already working. But if you want to just jump into the market, and you will lose money, you will definitely lose money, okay, because crypto is volatile. You will lose all your money. So you need to learn. Okay, you actually need to learn. You need to master all this strategy before you dive in. Don't just enter and start trading. Okay, learn, and there are demo accounts in Bybit which you can use to learn first. So now, as you can see now, immediately this line show up. What happened? There was a very big down, and as you can see here now, this particular line again have crossed here. Let me show you over here. You can watch. If you watch closely, you will find out that yellow line have crossed this purple line again. That is to tell you that this coin is going to go below 10 cents. This coin is going to go 0.5 cents as I'm talking to you. Meaning if you still short it, once this line cross, it is a signal that the coin is going deep. Okay, and we can still see all these things in different coins. Okay, if time will permit me, I will still show you other coins where all these things is actually happening. Okay, where all these things is taking place. This is 99% working strategy. I wouldn't have been sharing it here, okay, but I decided to give you guys. So you can see over here again, look at what happened here. Immediately the line cross here, you can see the line cross, this yellow particular line cross. What happened? It went deep. It went a straight high deep. It's not just, what I'm telling you is tested and trusted. It's working perfectly. Are you getting? So you can join my class or join my VIP group if you want to be getting these signals on daily basis. You can start with $10 in trading. You can start with $100, and you see yourself being profitable on daily basis. Okay. So if we continue to go all and all, you will see where all these things happen. Look at here again. What happened here? Look at it here. Anywhere it happen is a no-go area for people that are holding. Is also a very great opportunity for people that are shorting the market. So you can see here it happened. Look at it. Immediately it crossed all over those line. What happened? The market went straight down. Straight big deep. This is a very profitable strategy which you can use to make a lot of money. So if you want to learn more about this, join my class. It costs only 20 USDT for you to join my class.